Okay, so I recorded the complete video and then I realized that the recording wasn't on. Kudos to me. Moving on. And also, I'm so sorry for all the noises of traffic. For various reasons, I'm not recording in my usual location where there is silence, so you might have to bear with this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a book haul video. So this time I went to the Sunday Book Bazaar, which was usually set up in Daryaganj, but due to some issues, some guideline issues, it was removed and shifted to Mahila Haat. And I went after years and I absolutely loved it. So without further ado, here's my book haul. I controlled myself a lot, so I only bought 6 things, and it was such a good experience just going out, spending a day book shopping. It's always such a fun thing to do and I absolutely enjoyed it. I would definitely suggest it to you if you are in Delhi, or go to your local book market. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So I went there for two things particularly. So I wanted a used copy of 40 Rules of Love. So Elif Shafak has slowly and steadily crawled into my heart with her writing. As you can see, I'm also currently reading her latest book, the Island of Missing Trees, and I'm only 40 pages in, and obviously I am in love with her writing. There's just something about her writing which is so captivating that I could not let go. And also, you guys, it's a signed copy. I mean, it was, just look at this. I went crazy when I saw this. Like, I was waiting for this for so long and I got it. Perks of the job. Yeah, anyway, I'm just diverting now. Okay, so yeah, so I particularly went for a used copy of 40 Rules of Love because I borrowed it from a friend and read it way back, like 2-3 years back, and I've been looking for a copy of it, but I wanted a used one, not a new one. Because for two reasons. The new one has a glossy cover, which I absolutely don't like, and secondly, I always prefer used copies to new ones, especially of the books I love. Maybe it's just the feel of somebody else reading it and the history of the book, just something gets to me. Anyway, so I did not get that. I also went to buy some classics which I really wanted to read. One was Room of One's Own by Virginia Woolf and The Picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde. Let's see if I found any of these books over there. So first up is this book of this book, as you can see, it's somebody's used copy, somebody named Sanya Dung, and her address is even written on it, which is, I mean, I've never written my address, but it is so cool. It is an annotated copy. Actually, I did not buy it. The friend who went with me, he gifted this to me because he thought that I should really read this book because he has read it, and plus we found an annotated copy. So I was like, मेरे को चाहिए because I love annotating in my books, and whenever I find used books with annotations, it takes my heart away. So I really needed this, and he got this for me. It was for 40 bucks. The seller first said that he would give it for 50 bucks, but we bargained and he gave this away for 40 bucks. Next up is, so after exploring a lot, we found a few stalls for stationery, and obviously I have like a very weak heart when it comes to stationery, so I ended up buying these two very pretty registers. One is actually a notepad. I love how the pages are, and we got this for this was for 30 bucks, this one, and the paper quality is very nice. Like the GSM, which is the measure of the thickness of the paper, is very good. So yeah, it is very good. And this one I got for, I think, 50 bucks, this register. I got a little damaged one by chance, but it's okay, not bad. Really liked it. Very happy with my purchase. Next up, a copy which I gifted to my friend is To Kill a Mockingbird. Since when he ended up buying this for me, and then we saw a lot of copies of To Kill a Mockingbird over there, and I was like, have you read this book? It's such an amazing book, it's one of my favorite books. And he goes, no, I have not read it. And duh, if you're with me and you're a friend of mine, I will make sure you read To Kill a Mockingbird. So obviously I ended up gifting that to him. It's not here. From Mahila Hart, we did not get anything else because what we wanted was not available over there. I did not get 40 Rules of Love's old used copy. They were all first copies, which are actually pirated copies, which are available over there. And so Elif Shafak books, as you can see here, have golden foiling on them. Like most of her books have. So the first copies did not have that golden foiling. So even though they were less expensive, I could not buy them because the whole appeal of the cover is in that gold foiling. So I let go of it. I did not buy. And from there we ended up going to Daryaganj, which has shops of used books. So we tried finding the copies that I wanted over there. Also, very strangely, none of the sellers knew about Picture of Dorian Gray and Virginia Woolf. Like, aren't these people supposed to be aware of popular books? So the last 3 books which I got a pretty good deal, because I got all 3 in 250. 2 are paperback, 1 is a hardcover. First one is this, The Guide by R.K. Narayan. So we did not want this particular edition, but the other edition, the guy wasn't budging. He was like, I will only give it for 100 rupees, even though it was a tattered copy and all of that. But he's like, it's a classic, I will not budge, I will only give it for 100 rupees. So we're like, okay, fine, we don't want it from you. So we ended up going to Daryaganj, where there are shops, like the whole lane contains shops of used books. And we got this from over there. We got it for 50 bucks. So in those shops, what will happen, they will only give you discount on the MRP which is mentioned. So even though it's a used copy and all of that, they will only give you discount on the MRP. They don't care about anything else. So the MRP is 100 bucks. They're like, we'll give it to you for 50 bucks. Like, cool, okay, no problem. So this book also was not bought by me. My friend whom I went with gifted it to me because he said that I don't read enough Indian literature, good Indian literature, and this is one of them according to him. So I thought, okay, okay, why not? There's no harm in receiving good books. The next up is The Picture of Dorian Gray. Yes, I finally got this book, and it was so weird that after looking for it in Mahila Hart and in all of these used book shops, this was the last shop we went to, and this is where I found it. Like, nobody was aware of The Picture of Dorian Gray and Virginia Woolf. Like, aren't they supposed to be popular? I mean, and aren't this market supposed to have popular books? I mean, theek hai, koi baat nahi. So I ended up buying this Wordsworth Classic, which again is for 150 bucks, but I got it for 50 bucks. It's a very, you can see, used copy, and it is also annotated and all of that, and of course I fell for it with all the annotations. Another thing which I really loved was that this book, I mean, it was a lucky pick because this was the only copy over there. Secondly, I did not know that Wordsworth Classics have like a brief about the classic and like the premise of the book, the idea behind it, the introduction. Like, they have, apparently before the book starts, they have this whole material you require to read this book. So I was pretty amazed when I came back home and I looked at it. I'm like, wow, what a luck, Laiba. Anyway, so the last book which I got and for which I'm like super hyped is this one. Look at this beauty. It's the hardcover edition of To Kill a Mockingbird, and it is straight up from Birmingham. I don't know how it ended up in Daryaganj. I'm pretty thankful to Sarah Hinnett and her leaving her copy behind. Yeah, I mean, I saw this book and I knew I had to have it because I have the 50th anniversary edition, which I bought because I needed it for my coursework. And now I saw this like hardcover of my favorite book. Obviously, I had to have it. And this one is for 300, and strangely the owner of the shop was aware of it, like how it's a hardcover edition of a book for which the hardcover edition does not exist. I mean, it's not available in India at least. So he goes, it's for 300 bucks, and he's like, I will not sell it less than 200 because it's, it's a first edition hardcover and all of that. I'm like, please give it to me. Then he's like, okay, I'll give it to you in 150. And that's how I got 150 and 50-50 each. 3 books in 250 bucks from this one shop from Daryaganj Lane. And that was all. After this, we ended up going to Chandni Chowk and Jama Masjid, for which you can see my mini vlog. And that's that. It was such a fun day. I love going book shopping, and I hope you do too. Please go shop from books. Buy used books. Give your books to somebody else to read. Annotate in your books. It's so much fun. I won't bore you more. That's all. Bye.